Hi, my name is Jason, and I come from a poor family. I don't know what you put in our chicken today, but you killed my mommy today.
Doctor told me it was salmonella that killed my brother. But I don't know what that is since I have no education and I work in the factory all day. Please, fight for my rights and check what's in my meat.
I lost my son in the Spanish-American War, not because of battle, but from a piece of meat. The people who are serving our country are dying at the hands of the meat makers. What a disgrace it is for those who pay the ultimate sacrifice just to die from a rotten piece of meat.
What can we possibly do to fix this problem? The answer is quite simple. The government can simply regulate animals to see if they are living in proper living conditions. The slaughterhouses in which animals are killed should be sanitary and thoroughly checked for contaminants and diseases, no matter where they come from. Negligent companies should be stopped from the malpractice of putting acids into our meat that mask its true age and stench and are harmful to small children and the elderly. Should it be a crime for stores and supermarkets to smell rotten meat? Meat that has been prepared in the most unethical manner known to Americans? Now, imagine what would happen if there were regulators and regulations. Lives would be saved. Millions of people would be spared from diseases, shortening their lives, and they will still buy your products. It seems quite simple on the surface, but it's inexcusable that we let this happen in our great country. Today is your chance to act. We deserve to know what is in the meat that we eat.
The meat industry is poisoning our country and our people. Regulate our meat.
We need change. We need inspectors. Save our meat before it's too late.
Our families need security. We need to be safe. We don't need to watch what we eat. We need to know what we eat. Save our